It's an unpleasant experience. I try to make it as pleasant as possible.
This isn't pleasant. You're kidnapping me right now. I'm being kidnapped when I'm trying to report my mother kidnapped. I'm being kidnapped when my mother's kidnapped. And you say it's a civil suit when I say it's a civil issue, when I say it's a criminal issue. We've got the woman that's perpetrated kidnapping my mother is at the house right now, 2974, robbing it. And you guys have failed to intervene, failed to act. Could have just called, hey, Gifford, Souter, call your mother right now. Let's just hear her voice on the phone and let's hear what she has to say. She's not incapacitated. She's not. They're lying. She doesn't have dementia. They're lying. All the stuff that Heather has to say, she's lying. And I don't have to honor an invalid order. It's not valid. If someone tells you to do something and they're wrong, you do not have to do it. And I have a right to resist, and I have every right to go back on a piece of property that I'm the agent for. And again, there's called successor agents, revocation of agency, and assignment of agency. And I've been through all that. Thank you. We're screwed. I'm being kidnapped right now. I'm in the act of being kidnapped. And I do appreciate cuffs in front seat. I'm not being treated completely scummy.
I'm putting you in a cage.
Thank you, because that's a horrible place to be. You are trying to do your job, I understand. And I don't mean to have my voice raised on you. I'm sitting here wearing the same.
I mean, this is not a fun time for anybody, and I can imagine the agony you feel not knowing where your mom is. I mean, I can identify with that. I wouldn't want my mom taken from me.
That's the whole fucking thing. My mom is literally kidnapped. And you guys, you're involved in this too now. You're refusing to look at, you were supporting. I asked for the sheriff's department to come monitor the situation, not intervene. Do you understand? There's a huge difference in that. And it was intervened upon with malice. This is malice. This is actual with prejudice. I was treated with prejudice, not given equal protection under the law. I've been treated. This falls under the KKK Act. I also, citizens arrested them, all three, and you guys failed to take them into custody. You failed to do anything. You both, I called the troopers on purpose to help assist, and I turned them over to you guys. And what happens? 3 days later, I'm getting trespassed. I'm getting arrested. I'm under arrest. This is ridiculous. This is the most far-fetched, ridiculous scenario I've ever seen. This is complete misprision of felony. This falls under the KKK Act, too.